Hello, so I received the leather tabs and this is what I got. This is what I'm going to use to attach a strap. I was thinking that sewing them in will be easy. I don't know why I thought it was going to be easy, but it's not. The canvas is hard. It's hard to push the needle in. So I'm using these tools to push it in and push it out. I went to Walmart and got me this nylon thread. It's not going to look perfect, but I will keep trying and I'll keep you posted, see how it comes out. We'll see. Stay tuned.